On 2nd October, Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated and launched the Vaishvik Bharatiya Vaigyanik Summit or VAIBHAV 2020 through a virtual ceremony. The ceremony was attended by scientists, scholars and academics from across the globe along with the premier science and technology and academic organizations of the country. The VAIBHAV Summit is an ambitious initiative of the Government of India that will provide an unprecedented opportunity to the overseas as well as resident Indian experts to collaborate seamlessly over a variety of verticals to arrive at scientific solutions.
वैश्विक भारतीय वैज्ञानिक वैभव समिट 2020 celebrates science and innovation from India and the world. I would call it a true Sangam or confluence of great minds. Through this gathering, we seek to form a long-lasting association for empowering India and our planet.
Vaishvik Bharatiya Vaigyanik Summit is a joint initiative of all the science and technology research institutes and academic organizations of the country. From 3rd to 25th October, the virtual conference will see brainstorming of experts on the horizontals of each identified vertical. Around 1,500 panelists will participate in the virtual deliberations, which will have nearly 200 sessions. The outcomes of the summit will be presented on 28th October and the concluding session will take place on 31st October, which is also the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Thousands of participants representing nearly 200 Indian science and technology and academic organizations will also take part in the summit and gain from the knowledge and expertise of the panelists. Through such deliberations and by promoting active collaboration between overseas and resident Indian experts, VAIBHAV Summit aims to strengthen the ecosystem of knowledge and innovation in the country, which will contribute significantly in the building of self-reliant India.